In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable chimes on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and the chimes comes off every 1 hour or 15 minutes or more than that based on your setup or based on your schedule, then you can easily turn off or disable chimes on your Apple Watch. So if I done on this video, you found this useful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here to turn off or disable chimes on your Apple Watch is press the two crown ones. To access the clock face and go to the app library. On the app library, click on the settings gear icon. Then once you click on that, you want to scroll down using the two crown like this, or just scroll the screen until you get to accessibility and then click on that. Then once you selected accessibility, scroll down and type chimes. Once you click on that, you'll see the chimes turned on. Then go ahead and turn this off. Once that is disabled, this is going to turn off chimes. You can see when this is on, selected sound and haptics will play every 15 minutes or every 1 hour based on your schedule. So that's how you can easily turn off or disable chimes on Apple Watch. If you found this useful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.